Thanks for checking out SpecialtyGearDrives.com. Today we are taking a look at a repair we did on an Amarillo S500A. These right-angle gear drives are used in industrial cooling towers, agriculture, and municipal water systems. Their failure means total system shutdown. Continuous vertical thrust loads destroy the vital high-thrust bearing assemblies and bevel gears. At SpecialtyGearDrives.com, we don't guess. We perform a full, meticulous restoration. We analyze every component, especially the thrust bearings and spiral bevel gearing. We make sure we find the root cause of failure. Our Timken certified technicians rebuild it to withstand extreme vertical stress. We correct housing alignment, install precision components, and guarantee the rebuilt drive will perform like new. Every repair is backed by our 24-month warranty. Don't let downtime dry up your profits. We specialize in handling large, heavy vertical drives like this Amarillo S500A. Take advantage of our free freight and free quotes nationwide service by calling SpecialtyGearDrives.com today. Specialty Gear Drives, certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.